learning that you need to do right now is to listen to whoever your guru is going to be. Even if your guru is Google or YouTube, you need to listen. You need to be disciplined. You need to, do this motivation bullshit talk, I don't believe in that. You need to wake up in the morning, you need to brush your teeth, you need to get out. You need to get out. I mean, nobody likes to go to the gym. Nobody likes to go and learn something new. It's painful. I mean, you make a fool of yourself. So you need to go ahead and you need to just, put yourself at that and try and get as good at it as possible. And it's an effort. I mean, like, I remember when we used to play a sport and we used to go, get tired, but there used to be a smile on our faces. That, oh my God, it was ready, let's go again. Now, we lose that enthusiasm.